Hi, I'm Greg, one of the product managers at GoForms. This is the third video in our GPS and location data intelligence series. This one covers location-based automatic default value, or auto capture GPS. Of the three capabilities, this is the most powerful from an operational standpoint and also the most invisible to the field user, which is part of what makes it so useful. I'll walk you through how to configure it in the template builder and show you where the captured data lives once it starts coming in. This one is the most invisible of the three features, which is actually what makes it powerful. Auto capture GPS is about getting GPS coordinates recorded at the exact right moment in a workflow without the field user doing anything at all. No tap required, no prompt to confirm location, it just happens. The way it works is through what we're calling a custom default value for location fields. You configure a calculation condition in the template builder, and when that condition evaluates as true, whenever that happens here in the form, the device will automatically capture the GPS location and populate that field with the coordinates. Let me show you how to set it up. Go ahead and open the template builder and then navigate to a template where you want to capture the GPS coordinates automatically. I'm going to use this template I have here with a couple different fields, and namely I have this location field down here that I want to automatically capture that GPS stamp if the inspection QA is complete. So what you'll do is you'll come over to the default value section and you're going to click right here, and it will actually show a little FX icon that allows you to open up our calculator. In the calculator, you can create any calculation that you would like. It simply needs to return true for the GPS location to populate. So in this calculation, I said if this field has a value, and I want this to return true. So if this checkbox is checked, essentially, I want to capture the GPS location. And let me show you what that looks like. So that's pretty much the entire setup. It's quite straightforward. All you need to do is come up with that return of a true value with your calculation. And then here is what it looks like from the form experience. So I'm just going to fill out this form. I'm going to come in here and choose inspector. Let's do Gregory Bryce. Do a quick audio recording for this. So let's say the site looks good. Only one minor safety issue that I've noticed. There's a valve that needs to be replaced. That looks good. And then I'm going to give it a 2 for the safety rating. And I'm also going to hit that checkbox. And what you'll see that just happened was all I did was hit that checkbox saying the QA was complete, and it automatically grabbed that GPS stamp of exactly where my device is. So that is the new default value for the location field. And I do want to show one other cool piece. So in this experience, we're actually showing that GPS stamp to the form user, but this new feature is even more powerful as unmapped fields or metadata on the same form that was just filled out. So let me actually transition back to the GoForms web application, and I'm going to head over to the Forms tab, and let's take a look at that form that was just completed. Oh, let me reload it one more time. All right, so there it is. We're going to go ahead and go into that form. We're going to see all the data that we had just seen on the mobile version. But if you come up to Form Actions, there is a new Form Metadata option. When you click into Form Metadata, you're going to see a bunch of the metadata and history information up here. But in addition to that, you're going to see unmapped fields along with their values. So what I didn't show you was I have actually pre-configured 3 other location GPS fields to capture the same exact thing for every field that was filled out on that form. So when I chose which inspector I was, it took a GPS stamp. When I did the inspection, it took a GPS stamp. And when I did the safety rating, it also took that GPS stamp. And the beauty of unmapped fields they are just additional fields on the form that can be used across all of your workflows, all of your reporting, and so on and so forth. Just to give you a quick view of what that looks like, going back into my template, to make a field unmapped, all you need to do is go to the field mapping section and then click change to unmapped field. Once you do that, it will no longer show as a field within the form, so that field user will no longer see it, but it's in the background, also going to show under existing fields. and then B, that awesome metadata complementing every form that is filled out. All right. To close, let me be direct about why this matters for your operations. The hardest part of location data isn't capturing the GPS, it's capturing it at the right moment without adding that friction to the field crew's workflow. If you ask a technician to tap a location button before signing a JSA, some of them will do it and some of them won't. That inconsistency is what creates gaps in your records. This auto-capture GPS feature removes the inconsistency entirely. You define the moment, JSA signed, permit approved, inspection checkpoint reached, photo uploaded, and GPS fires automatically every time without the technician thinking about it. The result is a timestamped defensible location result on every instance of that workflow event. For safety and compliance workflows, that's audit readiness built into the process itself, not chased after the fact. For billing and T&Ms, it's proof that the work happened where and when it was supposed to. And for asset management, it's a location history that builds automatically across every form submission without any manual effort from your team. That is the new custom default value or auto capture GPS for location fields, and we're really excited to see you use it.